Can you read the 9th question again? It's okay, fine. Can you read the 9th question?
The the biochemical reactions that take place in organisms are catalyzed by
What is the answer? Which would catalyze the biochemical reaction?
enzymes.
Good. Enzymes. Okay. So enzyme is the one which catalyzes the biochemical reactions. So if it is in the outside, means in the lab, if the what is the word we use for chemical reaction to be catalyzed means we call that as a catalyst, right? In the lab, if we are doing any chemical reactions, if to increase the rate of reaction, we can add catalyst where it would catalyze the reaction inside the body for the biochemical reaction. That means biochemical means carbohydrate, proteins to be digested to make them efficiently act there. We are there. We have the enzymes. So this is a catalyst which do the which function in the biochemical reactions. Enzymes. Now, can you tell me what is meant by hormones? Yeah, they are also biochemicals, right? Hormones are also biochemicals which helps to regulate the body process. Okay, we have discussed that thyroxine hormone, okay, adrenaline hormone, okay, testosterone hormone, estrogen hormone. These are hormones which regulate the growth, development, metabolism, sexual function, and reproduction. Like this, all the activities of the body are controlled by this chemical substance called hormones, right? And the fatty acids, which would be the end product of the lipids. Okay, lipids when they are getting digested, they form fatty acids and glycerol. What are you? Okay, so see here, it is very interesting. Okay, this is the enzyme. When there are two substances, let's take two glucose molecules, glucose and glucose. They come together by the enzyme. They are placed nearby them, and they form the bond between these two. So you are going to get by the two monosaccharides, you are going to get a single disaccharide molecule. Glucose and glucose join together and form maltose, right? Maltose. So this is done by the enzyme. Enzyme made this is doing the catalyst action. This is how. And also, for the let's say I said fatty acids, the lipids to be digested. Okay. So the lipase enzyme. Let's say this is the lipase enzyme and this is the lipid molecule. Lipid molecule means there are glycerol and the triglycerol and the fatty acids. Now they are combined together forming the lipid. Now when the lipid come and bind onto the enzyme, there would be a reaction happening between these two, and now they are placed out separately as glycerol and the fatty acid as separate molecules, right? Okay, so that's how enzyme functions. Enzyme can bring up two molecules together or it can break them. So it would catalyze all the metabolic activities. Breaking or synthesizing, everything can be done. Okay, now